Hi everyone, in this session I'm going to show you how to make a sales invoice. If you want to just create a sales invoice without any parent document, meaning if you want to create a sales invoice without linking sales order or quotation, then follow these steps. Go to sales module, then go to sales invoice sub module, click on it. The screen will open where you can see the entire sales invoice transactions. Then click on create new. So once you click on create new, system will open a sales invoice screen where you can fill all the respective information related to the customer or invoice. In the sales invoice screen, you have two modes, either simple to have a limited fields or you have advanced mode. So based on that, you can select and fill the respective information. Either you can fill in the simple or even you can fill in the advanced. So select the customer. Let's say you're selecting a customer. After selecting the customer, all of its information will be available here. It will be carry forwarded from the customer module. If you require to select any cost center, you can select date of invoice. By default, it will show today's invoice. You can select payment terms. If the tax is assigned to the customer, it will show in the tax scope. If not, it will show as NA. Then you can add the items. It can be inventory items or it can be non-inventory items. Depending on the requirement, you can do that respectively. So I'm selecting one inventory item and I'm selecting one non-inventory item. I'm clicking on add. So once I add here, you can see that this is an inventory item. It's going to modify the description. You can modify the description as you like. Either it can be in English or Arabic as preferred. Let's say this is fish or more update and non-inventory. You're giving some services. Let's say you're giving some fabrication services. This information is start. Now, how much quantity you're going to sell fish humor? Maybe let's say 5 pieces, and this is fabrication service. So you want to select one or up to you. So unit price is 300, and the total is here. The fabrication service unit price is maybe let's say 8,000. That's it. If you want to add any terms and conditions, it can be added from here. Payment terms, delivery, respective, or if you want to add, select the bank which needs to come on the print. Select the respective bank. It will come in the print. By default, one bank will be assigned here and it will be coming in the print. As this item is inventory item and you are making sales invoice without selecting the parent document, then in that scenario, you need to make sure that you have enough stock to sell it. And the location is selected appropriately because the stock will be moved out. So I'm selecting this location store because it has 1,005 units and I'm just selling only 5 pieces. So click on add. Now, system will make a sales invoice with receivables as well as inventory. So in single transaction, system has created 2 impacts. One is for the receivables, one is for the inventory. If you just go bottom section in the report, you will see that there is a ledger postings for the sales as well as inventory. And then there is a stock movement of inventory because inventory is also gone out of the warehouse. In order to view the print, click on the print. That's it. This is the print of the sales invoice. Thank you.